Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to download Adobe After Effects for free on your PC, Mac, or laptop. So to get started, go to the Adobe website, and once you are there, choose your country if needed, then click Start Free Trial. Next, you'll see different options like individual, student, and teacher, and business. So for personal use, choose the individual plan, and if you need it for multiple devices, you can choose the business plan. After choosing your plan, click Continue. Now, enter your email address and fill in the required details, including your credit or debit card information, and then Adobe will not charge you until the free trial ends. After that, click Agree and subscribe. Then create your Adobe password, and once your account is ready, download and install the Creative Cloud app from Adobe. Open it and sign in with the same email and go to the Apps section, find After Effects, and click Install. So once the installation is finished, you can open After Effects and start using the free trial. So that is all for today. Thank you so much for watching. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button below, and I'll see you on the next video.